Days later.
Real quick, as we listen to Kendrick, we took this bullshit ass old junk out. That's the old stock shock of that 2018 R3. We replaced it with an identical unit. And when I do mean identical unit, I'm gonna put the picture up right here. This is an identical unit, same color, same shock body color, same spring color. That's what we looking for. We want them little sleeper mods that make this thing look stock, but it doesn't perform stock. This is a rear shock from a Ninja 650. Bigger, heavier, stupider bike. We put it on this little thing. It's a budget mod, makes the bike handle better, sits the bike up a little bit taller. If the keen eye people do see now, this doesn't sit as low as it used to. It's sitting high as that, almost. It doesn't appear that way because of the seat being gone, but you can look at the tail, look at the seat cowls and see. I'm hype about this. Damn, that was all that it was? That's sick. Oh, we got a yearn of me. Damn, it works. See how the idle drops when it's in neutral? Then when you put it in gear, idle up. That's where I want the idle at all the time. Maybe I will get it tuned just to improve that. No bullshit, that puts a lot of my anxiety about this thing to rest. This, we know it's magnificent, but it gives me an idea of what the pinnacle of a lightly tuned R3 should be like. When I was first trying to ride this and get this done, I had my doubts because it came to me so fucked up. I tried everything to get this one simple problem solved. It's really stupid, but I will explain it. Plugs, coil packs, oil change. Obviously, that's standard stuff that you always want to do when you get an old bike, used bike, shit, even a new bike. So anyway, rode it after I first got it running, bullshit. Rode it after I put all the new stuff on it, bullshit. Put the suspension on just because I was like, you know what, let me just get that done, even if I have it as a mantelpiece. So anyway, long story short, I just did that just to complete the tasks that I had. And like I said, you guys weren't really supposed to see this bike until it was all done. But I had those thoughts in my head like, damn, man, is this good? Is this bad? Like, what's happening? I could ride the bike, but you couldn't give it throttle. Something wasn't right. Talking with some of the homies, you know, that's why we started thinking coil packs. We started thinking other things. It's so simple. I'm gonna tell y'all the simplest thing you just can't look over. I was just about to buy a throttle position sensor and a new wire harness, and I thought to myself, this seems like it's out of gas. And it hit me. There ain't no way that this is what our problem is. Motorcycle fuel pumps look like cups. The fuel pump and everything sits right in the middle. Some fuel pumps hold fuel in the bottom of them, in the bottom of the carrier. This one apparently has a little fuel filter, a little tiny one that goes on the side in that same housing. This one does not have it. I know that it doesn't have it because the dude that I bought it from told me it didn't have it. And when I took it apart to check for myself and to clean the tank out, I saw that it didn't have it. I did say that that's an issue that I was gonna have to address, but it did not pass my head that this was the part of my problem. Bingo, that was our only issue. That was the problem. I do have to sort it if I want it to operate as intended from the factory. But in our conditions, track riding it, just keep it full. As y'all just seen, it works fine when you accelerate and the fuel sloshes, as long as you got the level above the fuel pump where it feeds, which is at the very bottom, right there. When that fuel sloshes backwards, if there's still fuel above the level that it pulls from, you're golden. So I just showed you, I did a wheelie. All the fuel went to the back, but there was still enough to pull the fuel in because this isn't a full tank. It's only got 2 bars from a 5-bar full on the tank. So now we just proved that that thing works. We've ran it full throttle. Somebody is calling me in the middle of the year to me. That's my homie. God damn! Mm-hmm. All hidden in the elements. Hey, so look, so crisis is averted because I was really about to just let this thing sit and not touch it ever if I couldn't figure out what the hell was wrong with this damn bike. But since we got it working and now I understand what the issue is, something I can change later on, but I ain't really caring about it as long as I keep the tank full. So we got tires coming, sprockets, chain, all the whole little, you know what I mean? I do have brake pads over there. I'll go ahead and throw those in. So we're almost done with that. We're just waiting on the fairings. And given the day that it is right now, and it's telling me that I got to turn my volume down because I be slapping, we might have fairings in